2024 is coming to an end, and as we all know, Cybercab, Robovan, and Optimus have been Tesla's main focus. While Robovan and Cybercab are set to make their official debut in 2026, Optimus has plenty to look forward to in 2025. With just a month left in this year, Elon has recently made some big announcements about the Tesla humanoid robot. The new design for Optimus Gen 3 has also gotten leaked. Musk previously promised that this special design would be revealed by the end of the year, and it looks like he kept his word. Here's the latest updates on the Tesla bot, and welcome to our channel. Have you ever thought about a Tesla EV, despite being modern and convenient, primarily serves a simple purpose: getting you from home to work and then sitting idle for most of the remaining time? Meanwhile, a Tesla robot costing about half as much could not only operate continuously for many hours, but also perform a wide variety of tasks. This would not only save time, but could even generate income. And that's exactly why people are eagerly awaiting the release of Optimus, where it can do a range of tasks, allowing users to quickly recoup their investment. Recently, images of the golden Optimus robot have been circulating widely on X and other platforms. This version stands out unlike any Optimus seen before, as it is painted in a golden color identical to the Cybercab that Tesla unveiled in October. According to available info, only one such golden Optimus currently exists, sparking speculation that this might be the special design that Elon mentioned back in June when he revealed the new Optimus design will be complete later this year is something special. We're not completely sure if this is Gen 3, but it's definitely a new design. It looks a bit more luxurious compared to the standard white of Gen 2. What do you think? For us, this color makes Optimus feel heavier, as if it's wrapped in an extra layer of metal. However, there is no denying that this robot looks cooler in this version. To speculate, we think this might just be a limited edition of Gen 2, as Gen 3 will likely have more changes and a more optimized design. As Elon shared, everything is improving as Tesla works on refining the robot's design to streamline production. Elon candidly admitted that the hardest part so far has been improving Optimus's design to make it easier to make and compatible with a complex supply chain, enabling mass production. So, Gen 3 will likely be redesigned to strike a balance between aesthetics, cost, and large-scale manufacturability. By this, we don't mean it's going to look cheaper, but rather it will follow a similar model to Tesla's EVs. Like Model 3, it'll have a better and more efficient design that appeals to buyers without increasing production costs, ultimately making it more successful. The appearance of the golden Optimus at the end of the year has sparked a lot of discussion, partly because its owner is Kim Kardashian. She's considered one of the first customers to get Optimus. Kim K posted numerous images and videos of Optimus showing that the robot can perform various actions like waving, striking poses for photos, and even doing the Trump dance. We all know that Tesla's always been a favorite brand among artists, celebs, and influential figures in the media. For instance, when the company launched Cybertrucks, celebs like Pharrell Williams, Bieber, Aiden Ross, Serena, Jay-Z, Beyonce, Lady Gaga, and many others were given priority to own the truck. Many speculated that Tesla's gifting these Cybertrucks to celebs is part of an effort to promote their new and controversial truck design. However, insiders confirmed that Tesla still requires these celebrities to pay the $120,000 price tag for the limited edition Cybertruck. Tesla may prioritize delivering to these celebrities because their broad reach serves as free advertising. So, with Kim Kardashian's golden Optimus color version, this could also be Tesla's way of promoting its robot and FSD technology before they're made available for rent or released in limited quantities next year. Typically, Tesla relies on wealthy and famous individuals to naturally buy their products and promote them. Clearly, Kim Kardashian didn't buy Tesla and Cybercab as they haven't been released or fully developed yet. Therefore, all of this is ultimately just a form of promotion before Optimus and Cybercab are officially for sale. Reports we've gotten indicate that Kim Kardashian is paid up to $2 million for every social media post, leading many to question whether Tesla is actually spending money on advertising, something that they've rarely done before. As you know, Tesla is not particularly strong in marketing compared to the competition. We're not exactly sure how Elon has collabed with celebs, but with Kim Kardashian, it's clearly a smart approach for Tesla, as Optimus can now reach a massive audience. With 359 million followers on her social media and a post that garners nearly 2 million likes, this is likely the biggest marketing campaign in Tesla's history. The first owner of Optimus also praised Tesla's design team, particularly Franz von Holzhausen, for creating such impressive products. compared to other companies that make robots, we believe very few are capable of making over 50 robots and bringing them to a major event for customers to experience firsthand. If you can think of any other company that deserves recognition, feel free to let us know in the comments. But honestly, Tesla seem to be the only ones who can pull this off. Even more incredible is that they're already renowned in the EV industry, yet now they are leading the way in bringing robots to the real world. At the We Robot event last month, at least 43 Optimists made a big impact on the place. One mixed drinks, several others moved through the crowd, and even some performed impressive dances. Even Cybercab and Robovan, two other Tesla products, were overshadowed by Optimus. For many, this was clear evidence that we are getting closer to a future that once seemed to only exist in sci-fi movies. However, the event was not without its share of skepticism. Some people speculated that the actions of Optimus might have been remotely controlled, especially since their automation capabilities were not fully convincing. Tesla later confirmed that the Optimus robots at the event did indeed require some human assistance due to the tight preparation timeline. This was done to ensure the best experience for the attendees. Nevertheless, we gotta be fair. The partial remote control does not diminish the significance of the event. On the contrary, it demonstrates that Tesla is seriously testing and improving, bringing humanoid robots closer to reality. The original goal of the Optimus robot, as envisioned by Elon, was to free up people's time so they can enjoy better things in life. While we've only seen a few things Optimus can do so far, it's clear that we're just beginning to fully understand its potential, and there's still a long way to go before we can fully assess the role of usefulness of this robot. Truth be told, Elon imagines that Optimus, Tesla's robot, will not just do simple tasks, but be able to do anything, unlocking a wide range of applications in everyday life, suggesting that the robot could take on jobs like shopping, childcare, lawn mowing, even pet care. Unlike industrial robots optimized for specific tasks, Optimus is designed as a versatile assistant aimed at being deeply integrated into both home and business life. Within the next 2 years, Optimus could potentially care for the elderly, regularly reminding them to take their meds, push the wheelchairs, or getting their crutches for those who have difficulty getting around. Additionally, imagine your grandparents who may not be too tech-savvy and even forget where their devices are. Optimus would be able to find their devices and announce the location and even teach them how to use them. Truly mind-boggling stuff here. Many people argue Optimus is just another ordinary AI technology, but that's a misunderstanding. For example, while ChatGPT might only give you a recipe on how to cook a meal, Optimus actually would cook the meal itself. It's like showing it a YouTube video on how to make pizza. The deep learning would be stored in its brain and eventually could go to the kitchen and prep the meal while you take it easy on the couch. That's the difference. In fact, Optimus is the tech that makes AI more practical in the real world. The latest generation of Optimus includes many upgrades compared to its debut at the end of last year. It moves faster, can talk in conversations, has more flexible hands for performing, and navigates confidently in any environment. These are just some of the improvements we've observed over the past period. Elon has also stated that at least 3 times that the price of Optimus will be under $30,000. Saying that the robotaxi will also be priced around $30K. Bringing both of these products to consumers at a price equivalent to that of a non-self-driving car would be a huge deal if Tesla could pull it off. Elon recently said in a post on X that Tesla will sell Optimus and Cybercab at 60 Gs, but Tesla will need a large production volume to do this, meaning the price will only go low if Tesla can make a lot of Optimus robots and Cybercabs. Elon has repeatedly made bold statements that one day everyone on Earth could own a Tesla Optimus, stating that Tesla only costs about $10,000 to manufacture and each Optimus and plans to sell for $20,000. This would make a profit of $1 billion for every 100,000 robots sold. This is a much lower price compared to other robots on the market, like Boston Dynamics' Atlas, which costs $150,000. This is a strategy to make Optimus accessible to a broader user base, not just the wealthy folks. Tesla leverages its existing technology and infrastructure from EVs to reduce the manufacturing costs of Optimus. Expensive technologies like autonomous driving, hardware components, and software are all transferred from the automotive sector to the robot project. Tesla also has a top-tier team of engineers in fields like electric motors, power electronics, and AI systems that help optimize costs and development time. Although this may seem unlikely next year, eventually the price of Optimus is going to be half that of an EV. While waiting for Tesla to launch its leasing and sales program for Optimus, the company recently introduced a much more affordable alternative, a smaller-sized humanoid robot priced at $40,000. As predicted, the Tesla Bot action figures sold out instantly and quickly flooded the online marketplaces, with prices ranging from a few hundred US dollars to several thousand. Quietly launched on the Tesla shop last weekend, this smaller version of Optimus is a highly detailed model with 20 joints across more than 40 individual parts. The tiny humanoid robot is capable of mimicking the full-size Optimus prototype. Tesla frequently releases unique accessories, and they almost always sell out fast. With this miniature action robot, all available stock was gone in under 24 hours. After that, many accounts resold the models on eBay, with prices going from $100 to $600. Some even showed up at $10,000. Each action figure comes with a small charging stand and a mini version of the Cyber Hammer. The model is about 18 centimeters tall, 5 wide, and weighs 48 grams. Tesla has stated that the product is currently sold out, and interested buyers can leave their emails to be notified when it's back in stock. However, there's no info about waiting times. A recent statement from Elon about Optimus is also getting widely circulated, as he noted in a post on the social media platform X that he's confident that an unmanned Starship mission to Mars will be feasible within 24 months. According to the Tesla CEO, the payload for these unmanned missions will include the Cybertruck and Optimus robots. Musk's statement was shared on X following the 6th test flight of Starship. My goodness. Both products make sense to us right now, as Cybertruck's designed to operate in rugged terrains. Tesla may create a version of Cybertruck with a much bigger battery for Mars, allowing it to store energy and function as a mobile generator or as a vehicle for exploring the surrounding environment for longer times. Alternatively, it could also be a slightly bigger variant compared to the current Cybertruck. Also, with Optimus, Tesla could install bigger batteries to extend the robot's operating time, or sometimes it may not be necessary, as Optimus could charge itself on its own. While it remains uncertain whether Elon's recent estimate for Starship's Mars missions is overly optimistic, the idea of Cybertruck and Optimus robots operating on another planet in the coming years is definitely exciting. If realized, Cybertruck and Optimus could help SpaceX in preparing for the first crewed missions to Mars by gathering real-world data directly from Mars's surface. According to Milan Kovac, Tesla Optimus' chief engineer, the Optimus robot has undergone upgrades recently, which makes us confident that it will have many major roles if sent to another planet. We believe in the next 3 to 5 years, Elon could successfully fulfill this goal, as not only Optimus but also Starship is increasing positive prospects. Optimus stands at 5'10", weighs 138 pounds, uses a 2.3 kilowatt-hour battery, much smaller than the batteries in Tesla's EVs, but can continuously go for 8 hours. It's equipped with sensors and cams to recognize and interact with the environment. The autonomous navigation capability based on 2D cameras rather than relying on GPS makes Optimus ideal for unfamiliar and harsh environments like Mars. In the rugged and uneven terrain, Optimus can navigate obstacles with flexibility, even handling complex landscapes like steep slopes or cracks, thanks to its advanced technology. Just recently, Optimus demonstrated that it can go upstairs, which further boosts our confidence in its mobility. Not only limited to movement, Optimus has the potential to become a pioneering robotic explorer, equipped with the ability to recognize, analyze, and process data directly on its computer. The trained neural networks allow this robot to not just see but understand objects, minerals, and valuable resources like frozen water, a critical element for human settlement on Mars. Imagine a day when Optimus can independently scout mineral deposits, map terrain in detail, or even autonomously transport equipment to remote bases, all without the need for constant supervision from Earth. With its integrated AI accelerator, Optimus not just completes tasks quickly, but also has the ability to learn and adapt to new challenges, something a Mars robot truly needs to survive sustainably. Optimus could do even more on Mars, but the key is that these robots can undertake dangerous missions to the planet without endangering human lives. In under 3 years, Tesla's made some pretty decent strides in developing Optimus, from walking and balancing to doing complex tasks like folding clothes and handling delicate objects like eggs without breaking. Compared to the competition like Boston Dynamics that took decades to develop robots with similar capabilities, Tesla's progress is pretty remarkable. While Elon's got a history of missing timelines and price, Tesla's control over the most core technologies give a solid foundation for believing that the cost of Optimus will stay low. However, to realize this, Tesla will need to overcome several technological barriers. Optimus AI needs to advance further in order to handle complex problems in environments that are not pre-established. The robot's ability to continuously learn and adapt will determine whether it can truly become a revolutionary product. Additionally, ethical issues such as data security, privacy, and its impact on the global labor market will also require careful consideration. Socially, accepting a robot into daily life is a big challenge. While Optimus's design is praised for being approachable and friendly, the presence of a robot in personal spaces may make some of us feel uneasy. However, Elon has promised not to turn Optimus into a Terminator or follow the scenario from the iRobot movie. Tesla is committed to developing Optimus in a civilized manner and ensuring that the scenario of mass unemployment or getting ruled by robots never happens. In summary, Optimus is not just a groundbreaking technological product, but also has the potential to become a major business driver, helping Tesla scale up to enormous profits down the road. As millions, including ourselves, eagerly await this release, we're hopeful that we can eventually buy it for about $30,000 or less. If you had the opportunity to own a robot like Optimus for around $20K, how would you use it for your daily life? Would you feel comfortable having a humanoid robot in your house assisting with daily tasks? Or is there anything that would make you feel uneasy? Why is that? Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you have a great day, stay safe, and God bless. Bye.